Disaster management is a critical aspect of civil services and administration. It focuses on preparing for, responding to, recovering from, and mitigating the effects of natural and man-made disasters. In a diverse country like India, prone to earthquakes, floods, cyclones, and industrial accidents, effective disaster management is essential for sustainable development. Disaster management involves several phases: preparedness, which includes planning and early warning systems; response, the immediate actions taken to save lives and protect property; recovery, the long-term rebuilding of infrastructure and restoring livelihoods; and mitigation, which focuses on reducing the impact of future disasters. Civil servants play a vital role in disaster management. They formulate policies, coordinate relief efforts, raise public awareness, and mobilize resources during emergencies. In India, agencies like the National Disaster Management Authority, (NDMA), state disaster management authorities, and the National Disaster Response Force, (NDRF), work together to manage disasters. However, challenges such as inadequate infrastructure, coordination issues, political interference, and a lack of public awareness often hinder effective disaster management. Looking ahead, building community resilience, integrating climate change adaptation strategies, and using technology for early warning and resource management will be key to enhancing disaster preparedness and response in India. Civil servants must continuously build their capacity to handle these critical roles. Effective disaster management protects lives and ensures long-term resilience for the country.